Hi! Alright, that's my little sister laughing in the background. But I'm doing an unboxing video because I'm so excited to be getting my Carver skateboard in the mail. I have wanted to surf skate for a while now, and I was like, you know what? Might as well get one. Because I have a penny and I have a nickel. And the first board I actually started riding was when I was like 10 years old, which is a ripstick, which is basically surf skate because you also have to pump. So I'm hoping I can get the hang of this really quickly. But yeah, this is the box that it came in. It's got the little Triton because it's, you know, the ocean version of the street version of this kind of skating. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Oh my gosh. So it's coming. It came in this little bag. And I'm going to take it out of that right now. Please stop yelling. Ta-da! Oh my god. Look at this baby. So beautiful. And it's got the surf adapter right here. Let me take the tag off. It is not a Pennyboard. Oh my god. When I was looking into buying a Surfskate, I did look at the Pennyboards version of their Okay. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's like one of those sketch doodles of the ocean. It's got like all the lines. Ah! Oh my gosh, look at the heels. Those are so, as people think we say in California, rad. Ew, I can't believe I said that. Okay. But they are pretty cool. And they're like clear too. They're like a nice turquoise. And then it's got like the sunset too. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I can't wait to go try it out. It's not as wobbly as I thought it would be. Let's see what else came in the bag. Ooh! Junior what? Junior. Surf Your Skate. Oh my gosh, it's a poster. I don't know who that skater is. There is a skater on it. Skateboard. And then it's got a ton of the other surf skates in the back. And yeah, so you can tell that it's a surf skate because it's got the surf adapter right there. And then it's like supposed to turn back and forth, so it's really hard, which is good. Because when I was looking at the nickel or the Pennyboard reviews of this surf skate, it was very squeaky. So it doesn't seem to be squeaky at all. Well, I'm just weak and can't turn it, but that's a really good grip. So I like theirs so far, and it's like the best one. And my friend has a surf skate or had a surf skate, and I asked him about it, and he said Carver's a really good one. So that's what I got, and I love it. And also they were having a sale, so I got 25% off, which made it out to be like I think $174. Yeah. I'll write that down below. But yeah, I'm gonna go try it out. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I just wanted to add that the grip on this board is so good. Like, I don't know if it's because I only ride Penny, but I don't know if normal skateboards are like this with the grips. I mean, it looks like a normal skateboard grip, but it is so good. It's so sticky, and it's great, and I love it. Yeah, that's it. I love the wheels. Yeah, pretty sick. The design, also pretty sick. Alright, deuces. Real quick though, I just wanted you to get a better look at this. These are the tires. And then this is the board. Also, I'm gonna go try and skate in my Bang shoes. It's a company I used to be the ambassador for, Bangs. Yeah, so let's go. Alright, so here it goes. I'm gonna go straight out of my backyard. Oh my gosh. I don't really know if I should place my feet in the same place I normally do. I'm gonna try that. Alright. Let's see if I can start pumping. Ooh, did Huey. Wow, it's definitely easier to turn really quickly. Do sharp turns. Alright, so that was definitely a lot easier than I thought it'd be, but I didn't pump that much. I pumped a little bit, and then I did when I did the Yui. I'll definitely have to practice, but this is day one, and that is my unpacking. So thank you for watching. I might put some clips after this. Yeah.